Subaru, newer model windshield cowl grille seal, coming apart as common issue. The way replacing seal, as one unit due to seal melt into cowl grille. In this video, I will show how to replace windshield, cowl grille unit step by step. And transfer all accessories. First, open engine hood. Remove both front wiper arm covers. All it needs is moving left and right while pulling up. Next, use 14mm socket, break the nut loose. And remove nut by hand. Pulling wiper arm does not come out easily. The best way of removing wiper arm is pushing down between the spring, holding tension. Once wiper arm is loose, it is way easier to remove arm than just pulling wiper arm up. It could damage wiper arm or wiper motor unit. Before remove passenger side, we need to remove small cover and disconnect washer hose. Just use small pick or screwdriver insert into hose and slowly pull the hose out without damaging hose. Next, use small plastic trim tool to remove both side corner trim. Do not use a lot of force while using trim tool, when too much force could damage or crack the windshield. Unclips both end clips on cowl grille first. Disconnect washer hose, again using pick tool or small screwdriver. Do not damage the hose. Now need to unclip all the clip from the cowl unit to the body frame. Using plier and clip removal tool so it won't bend the frame. Make it easier when install new panel. Now everything disconnects. Slowly lift panel and pulling outward. As you can see, the seal is torn and not setting properly due to welding spot on old one. The new design welding is closer and holding seal much better. Before installing new grille, we need to transfer some parts like the hose, nozzles, and sat seal. Start with unclipping hose on outer and inner. To remove the nozzles, just push the lock in the inside. It will release from the grille. Pull out nozzle and carefully remove washer hose and wiper hose as well. The best way to remember which hose go to which hole is marking the washer hose. Do not recommend disassemble washer hose in pieces. Now, just transfer washer hose to new panel as one unit and secure the hose by using the lock in the grille. Reinstall nozzles and wiper adapter. Last things transferred to the weather seal. Just pulling out from old grill and align with grill gap. When installing new grill, do not forcing in, it can damage or crack the windshield from the edge. Slowly move up and down while pushing. Make sure it locks into windshield and seals flat. The last few steps, just like how we remove and reverse. I like reinstall grill clips to frame first. It can help guiding the grill setting correct spot. Then outer clips, connecting the hose. 2 corner trim covers. When installing wiper arms, align wiper within windshield lines. It helps wiper defrosting in cold weather. And tighten 2 nuts. Pop in 2 caps and hose cover on. That's how to replace windshield grills step by step. And lastly, do forget test wipers and spraying water properly.